showing 55 minutes wheels up to wheels down time to Chicago. So far it's been a nice day to fly.
It's an honor to have you aboard with us. Sit back, relax, enjoy the flight. Thanks for complying with the mask policy. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Washington, D.C. We'll be at the gate in a few minutes. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. Also keep the all clear of all carry-on luggage. Free to use your cell phones and other electronics at this time. Once we do arrive at the gate and the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, please check the area around you for your personal belongings. Again, use extra caution when opening appropriate bins as your luggage may have shifted during a flight. On behalf of your Chicago-based crew, thank you for choosing this afternoon. Enjoy the rest of your day.